What I'm gonna do is, let's say I want to search for MS Word. Okay, MS Word. Go to answerthepublic.com. Simply type in MS Word, and you can also select country. Okay, sign up today to get 3 free searches per day. Okay, it's detecting. Okay, so you can see 45. We have 73 questions, and you can see, you can also see the CPA, cost per action, and you can see all these titles. You can write blog post on all this. Okay, there is a irrelevant, which is a who is MS Word, but you can ignore that. Okay, there are some keywords. Okay, long questions. Okay, you can actually use this in FAQs, or I do this. Okay, I do this every time when I want to use FAQs in my blog posts. Okay, so it's gonna give you 3 searches in a free version. You can literally use this. Okay, there is, you can see the search volume, even, medium, good. You can also see the cost per click, which is a very great tool, guys. Amazing tool. You can use this. Okay, now example, if I type in the travel search, you can also choose the country. Okay, now it's gonna show me a questions people are recently asking about the searches. Okay, there are 818 results. Okay, which is, you can see here, our travel package is worth it. You're gonna use this everything, guys. Oh my god, there are so many things. Okay, you can literally plan a content for a year using this tool for free. You can literally plan a year. Okay, year planning using this tool, which is, by the way, free. Okay, so most people don't know it. I suggest you to do it. Okay,